Okay, this is recorder of Camtasia. This is Camtasia Rev. If you turn it on, it's a very simple editor of your video. If you record something and then going to Camtasia Rev, you can access to small editor for your works. I will show you Camtasia Rev. You can turn it on or off. Okay, let's record something and then go to the camera Rev. Okay, this is my recorder and I want to record something, open something, moving your mouse, click somewhere, right click, and I want to record something. You can see I turn the visibility of my recorder on. It's better to turn it off because I want to record and tell you something. You can see that you can minimize it. This is on your microphone level. This is on timing that you're recording. Delete your recording and you can redo your recording. You can pause your record and you can stop. This is an end recording. If you hit the stop, it ended. Now I want to click on it. Okay, this is Camtasia Rev. It is a smaller version of the main Camtasia. It has a lot of small settings. First, we have a lot of tab here. You can review your video here and then directly export. So first tab, you change the look. You can see you can change the look of your edit, something like this if you want. You can go to the layout and change the layout if you need. The background, you can change any background that you want. You can see any background. Then you can go to a screen and we have a lot of settings, a small version of the settings. First is the AI noise removal. It's automatically, you can see it's a turn on or off. You can turn on, it's removing your noise in audio. Here you can turn on the border on or off. You can change the corner if you need. You can access, you can see, you can access the cursor color, changing that. Simple. You can change this spot, motion. I will show you all of this cursor effect later. Reflection, if you want, you can add it. We have a smart focus. You can see it's automatically focus on your position of your mouse, but I don't like it from now. You can change all of the settings and then directly export from your camera, Camtasia Rev. If you want to go more professional and edit in main Camtasia, you have two options here. Rev Media, it's completely compacts all of these settings and you cannot access them in Camtasia, but I prefer unpack the media. And if you go edit in Camtasia, you can see your video in Camtasia and all of these settings are here and you can click on them and change, for example, cursor color. You can change the cursor of color at any color that you want, or left click, cursor, AI noise removal. So the unpack version is better. And then you can edit here and then export it directly from here. Or if you don't want to face all of these more complex settings, you can go and directly edit in Rev and export it. You can see you can change the background, you can delete it. So the editing in main Camtasia is better. So Camtasia Rev is a small version of the Camtasia. If you don't want to waste your time, just export there.